Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's the last day of March 2023. We're here to talk about Quant Network today to see should we be participating in this particular market right now to see if we could get ready for some crazy returns, i.e. can we expect the price to go up? That's pretty much what we're looking at today on this video. So let's go ahead and break this down real quick. You guys can actually see as I zoom in on the price chart that our last price prediction in Quant Networks actually on March the 1st. And this is where the price for Quant Network was trading when we actually did the update video, because this actually goes all the way back to the 24th of February. You guys can see it though. We were playing the weakness in the market in Quant Network. It is exactly how the market played out. The market actually went a lot lower than our ultimate TP price, which is around $120. It came all the way down to 104 or $106. Now we are still trading within our prediction. So pretty good call. 10.8% win right there. Actually, another thing I wanted to do on this particular video is to come in and show you how the market has changed since we last did our video on the 1st of March. We were trending down in the market in Quant Network. So that's the first thing that we can see at that particular moment. But take a look at today though. We can actually see Quant Network consolidating. Price actually is no longer trending down. So that is something that we need to identify and really see into the market in Quant Network. So the first thing we're going to do is get rid of that descending line. And the second thing we're going to see is how the market in Quant Network really is trading within the trading range, or it is trending higher. Okay, so check this out. Okay, so you guys can see over the last couple of days, the market in Quant Network has been making higher lows. That needs to be maintained as long as price in Quant Network is to continue to see crazy returns. We have to allow the market to hold that trend line. Okay, so let's look at this on the 2-day chart. So here we are. We're looking at Quant Network on the 2-day time frame, and this last completed 2-day price bar actually tells us that the market currently is looking to go higher. Now we kind of saw the same 2-day price bar right here. Okay, you guys can see that the following 2-day price bars, our expectation would be for price to continue to go higher, but that wasn't the result. You guys can see that market action in Quant Network instead trended down. So be careful. Even though we can recognize that this 2-day price bar is bullish, from historical price action, the market went down. So we want to expect that same thing can happen again. Okay, so just because we've seen strength into the market in Quant Network doesn't necessarily mean that the market is definitely bullish. Here it is on the 3-day chart. You guys can see we have 13 hours and 14 minutes left on this current 3-day price bar. Okay, so there's two things that's in favor of the buyers right now, especially when you see this on the 3-day chart. The one thing is price is trending higher. The second thing is we can see buyers in the market here in Quant Network right around here. Okay, so these two areas, it's going to be real important for buyers to hold. Okay, so looking at this on the 3-day chart, where the price currently is closing in Quant Network is still telling me that sellers are here. So we're not in an emphatic bullish trend right now because there's still sellers coming into the market in Quant Network pushing down this crypto's price. Here it is on the 5-day chart. Okay, look at this on the 5-day. We have 13 hours again before this 5-day price bar completes, but we can still see how price is being inundated with someone trying to sell their quants in the market. Somebody's trying to get up off of them. But the great thing is, especially right now on this 5-day price bar, is telling me that the market is definitely absorbing whoever's trying to sell their quant into the market. So that's good to see. Here it is on the weekly time frame. Looks pretty good there as well. Look at that on the 2 weeks, 3 weeks. Here it is on the 5-week time frame. So looking at this on 5 weeks, we're still trending, even here on a 5-weekly time frame. So this market in Quant Network is still trending to the upside. So that's another plus for the buyers when you look at this from a 5-weekly time frame. Here it is on the month. We have 13 hours left, and currently I want you all to see how much volume came into the market in Quant Network for the month of March, and then look at February. So what we have here is pretty much showing me that this area, I would say around 140 to $100 is where the market has been doing a lot of buying. Okay, so given all of that, I would state that my presumption, the easiest way for price to move on a probabilistic basis would be for price to go up. Okay, so I'm going to do that, but crazy returns? No, I don't think so. So I'm going to be real conservative in my analysis as to where I suspect the market price in Quant Network is going to go. So let's go ahead and put this on the chart real quick and show you what we're talking about. So from this standpoint, as long as the market in Quant Network holds like $113 as support, we're going to look for the market to have the greater chance to go up. Okay, so that is there. My first target into the market in Quant Network is going to be here, right around $130. That is 4.82% from where the market currently is trading in Quant Network. My second target is going to be around 135. That's 7.71%. And then third area, it's going to be here around 139, $140. That's 11.65% market move higher at $139. Okay, so those are the three targets. Now, give the market time, because like I said, we're not definitely in a bull market in Quant Network. So it's going to take the market a couple of days to actually let this play out. Okay, so I'm not looking for a moonshot higher in one day, in a couple of hours, but yet and still looking for the market to actually ever so slightly trend to the upside. All right, so that's it. I am done. Welcome to the channel. Those who are new, subscribe if you guys want more of a simplistic understanding as to how to do price predictions. This is what I do, nothing more, nothing less. So join me, hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe. Make sure you maintain a profitability, and as always, trade different.